Nissan's midsize SUV was starting to show its age. So much so that it was nearly due for annual tailpipe inspections. Amidst a sea of fresh competitors, sales of the third-generation Murano had gone stagnant. But now, after nearly every other model in Nissan's lineup has received a refresh or redesign, the 2025 Nissan Murano finally gets its turn in the spotlight. The fourth-generation Murano is more of an extensive refresh than a ground-up redesign. Beneath its striking new exterior, complete with distinct lighting, a sweeping roofline, and muscular fenders, lies the same structure and chassis components as its predecessor. And that's perfectly fine. The Murano's elegant design masks its familiar foundation, while the wheelbase and overall length remain largely unchanged. The new Murano is 2.6 inches wider than before. With 20 and 21-inch wheel options, its front and rear tracks also expand by 2.1 inches, giving it a broader stance. This added width pairs beautifully with updated suspension tuning and new passive dampers, which significantly reduce body roll. During our test drive, the Murano's lateral motions felt impressively controlled. On Tennessee's smooth roads, the big 21-inch wheels delivered a composed ride, with minimal harshness transmitted into the cabin. Even more noteworthy is the vastly improved steering. The old, lackluster hydraulically assisted rack has been replaced with a more responsive, electronically assisted system. Mid-corner inputs now yield a precise and engaging response, a far cry from the vague feel of the past. Under the hood, the Murano features Nissan's VC turbo engine, a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder with variable compression and displacement. However, the big news is the transmission. The much-criticized continuously variable automatic CVT has been swapped out for a 9-speed automatic, a move we wholeheartedly applaud. Together, the new powertrain and thoughtful design updates make the 2025 Murano a more compelling contender in the midsize SUV market. No, the 9-speed automatic transmission won't transform the Murano into a sporty performer, but it handles the 2.0-liter engine's 241 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, down 19 horsepower, but up 20 pound-feet compared to the outgoing V6, with smooth shifts. While the gearbox favors higher gears to maximize fuel efficiency, that's no surprise given its focus on economy. Speaking of which, the EPA rates the Murano at 23 miles per gallon combined, matching the previous powertrain. Regardless, we're glad to bid farewell to the old rubber band-like CVT. It won't be missed. Inside, the Murano delivers a more inviting experience. Nissan has prioritized comfort, and it shows. The heated, ventilated, and massaging seats in the $50,990 Platinum trim are exceptional, providing superb support during long drives. This top-tier model also includes features like a head-up display, heated rear seats, and striking 21-inch wheels. Thanks to slimmer A-pillars and sail windows, forward visibility has noticeably improved. The Platinum's interior is rich with soft-touch materials, including a leather-wrapped dashboard that feels more upscale than offerings from competitors like the Honda Passport or Chevrolet Blazer. A lower seating position increases headroom, while the wider body enhances cabin spaciousness. With the available moonroof, front-row passenger volume gains an impressive 8 cubic feet. Both rows of seats are spacious and accommodating. For a more cost-effective option, the $47,950 SL trim on 20-inch wheels offers plenty of premium features, including a 360-degree camera system, a 10-speaker Bose stereo, a panoramic sunroof, a heated steering wheel, and customizable ambient lighting with 64 color options. The entry-level SV trim starts at $41,860 and is the only one available with front-wheel drive, though all-wheel drive can be added for just $1,000. A worthwhile upgrade. On the tech front, all Murano models feature dual 12.3-inch displays for the instrument cluster and infotainment system, with standard wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration. No matter the trim, the Murano's interior upgrades and tech offerings make it a strong contender in the segment. It may have taken Nissan a decade to get with the program, but the Murano's across-the-board improvements helped shape it into a much stronger contender in the very important midsize SUV segment. The Murano may not fix all of Nissan's sales woes, but it represents an important step forward nevertheless. 2025 Nissan Murano. Design and technology. The 2025 Nissan Murano brings a fresh take on midsize SUV aesthetics, blending striking design with advanced technology to deliver a modern and sophisticated driving experience. Design. The fourth-generation Murano features a bold and contemporary exterior that builds upon the model's signature style. With its aerodynamic roofline, distinctive lighting elements, and sculpted bodywork, the new Murano exudes sophistication. The widened stance, 2.6 inches broader than its predecessor, enhances its road presence, while the larger 20 and 21-inch wheel options emphasize its athletic look. Up front, the Murano wears Nissan's updated V-Motion grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that flow seamlessly into the body lines. At the rear, redesigned taillights and a more pronounced bumper complete the refined look. The slimmer A-pillars not only add to the sleek design, but also improve forward visibility for drivers. Inside, the Murano continues its design evolution with a spacious, luxurious cabin. A leather-wrapped dashboard and premium materials elevate the interior, especially in higher trims. The wider body and reconfigured seating position improve headroom and create an open, airy atmosphere. Optional features like a panoramic moonroof further enhance the cabin's sense of space, while thoughtful touches such as ambient lighting with 64 color options allow for a personalized experience. Technology. The 2025 Murano is packed with cutting-edge technology, offering convenience, connectivity, and safety at every trim level. Central to the tech experience are dual 12.3-inch displays, one for the digital instrument cluster and another for infotainment. Both screens feature crisp graphics and intuitive interfaces, with standard wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, making smartphone integration seamless. Premium trims like the Platinum offer additional tech perks, including a head-up display, a 10-speaker Bose audio system, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced parking and maneuvering capabilities. Advanced driver assistance systems come standard across the lineup, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking ensuring a secure drive. The Murano also introduces a more modern electronic steering system, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and Nissan's VC turbo engine for improved handling and efficiency. With all-wheel drive available across all trims, drivers can confidently tackle various road conditions. 2025 Nissan Murano Performance. The 2025 Nissan Murano offers a balanced performance package, blending efficiency, comfort, and enhanced dynamics for a refined driving experience. With its updated powertrain, improved handling, and intelligent design, the new Murano caters to those seeking a capable yet comfortable midsize SUV. Powertrain. At the heart of the 2025 Murano is Nissan's advanced